Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can delete the old Windows Update files, and by doing so, this will increase, boost, and improve the performance of your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So you have to click on the start button and then go to settings or click on the settings icon. Now if you cannot access settings using the start button, you can simply search for settings in the Windows search bar. Then you have to click on settings under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. That is the second option there. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find storage space, drives, configuration rules. And here you'll find all the contents of your Windows C drive. Now in a while, let's just wait for all these categories to be loaded. Okay, so let's just wait in a while. Now once it is done, here you will find temporary files. Click on this arrow. And here you will find all the temporary files on your Windows. So you have to check this one by one. But for downloads, if you have important files on your download, especially those you have downloaded using the internet, you can simply uncheck this. There's also a warning note from here. You can also check the recycle bin. And the most important thing that we are looking for this is the Windows update file. So we have here the Windows upgrade log files. And also, we have delivery optimization files, Windows error reports and fake diagnostics, Microsoft Defender antivirus, the thumbnails, temporary internet files, temporary files, DirectX shader cache. Now, once you have selected everything except for the downloads, just simply click on remove files. Click on continue. By doing this, you will also free up some space on your Windows, and it can cause your Windows to speed up its performance. And just wait in a while. Now, once this is done, go back to storage. And here you will also find cleanup recommendations. Click on that. Click on see advanced options. Then here the same thing. You can also delete the Windows upgrade log files from here and click on remove files. Click on continue. Now once done, close this window and then you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.